Well, here we go again, another adventure. There's some street photography in LA. Alright, taking the metro. Yep, here we go. Just waiting for the train to show up. And I leave from Pomona State, from Laverne Station, Fairfax. There goes the old Miller Brewery. I don't know what it's called now, but I think it's Blue Ribbon owns it. Well, I'm getting to Union Station. Usually you get off there, but today I'm gonna try a new route. Get off on Pico, so I can go to Santee Alley.
Now arriving at Union Station in downtown LA. Connect here with the Metro B&B lines downstairs and to your right, the Metro J line.
Got off here on Pico, trying to go to Santee Alley. Hopefully I don't get lost. If I'm right, I go that way. Here I am walking, so I'm just thinking of the interesting things to shoot. That's a good looking alley right there. Here's a pretty cool shot. These buildings, this alley right here, it's pretty cool. Look out for things like this. So I found it, a famous Santee Alley. I came into the back, but I found it. Here's a cool spot to shoot from. It's at the back of Santee Alley. Also, you'll find bathrooms up here. Well, important to know what bathrooms are at, public bathrooms. And this is the view from the top, third floor. All in the back, you see it, the whole alley from here. Pretty cool. So here we go. There's the sign, Santee Alley. There's some great shots here. I'll show you later how I get my shots. Well, I left Santee Alley. Now here's some good take picture of these mannequins here. They look pretty good when in black and white. There you go, here's a nice view. City. Let's go ahead and back to Union Station. Just got dropped off by the bus. They want to walk. So, take the bus if you can. When you come out of Union Station, you're looking for somewhere to shoot. Right across the street is Placita Olvera. That's a nice place to get some good shots. If you've never been to Union Station, get some great shots here too. Oh, the architecture is beautiful here. I'll take a ride. Get some shots. on the train heading back home. I'll talk to you guys in a few.